First of all, I miss you all. How are you? Everything is good? I hope so. We will start today with the inequalities, okay? If you remember, the y, which is equals to mx plus b, it's the line, right? Huh? All of you are here? تمام. Okay. So the equation of the line was equals to mx plus b, and it will continue with me in the inequalities. Okay, so inequalities, if you need to know the name of the inequalities, what this means, it's smaller than or greater than, smaller than or equals, or greater than or equals. Okay, it's very simple. Most of us took this before, okay? Even for grade 9 or 10 or 11 or 12, okay? We finished this and we know how to deal with this. We have some additional informations we will add today, okay? So please be careful with me and open the mics so we can connect with each other. If you can open the mics, please. Yasmin, you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Type. All of you open the mics. Okay. For example, one, for the inequalities, if I have 2x plus 3 less than 9, I need the value of x. I need the value of x. So first of all, I have to move the 3 in the other side with the negative sign, as we know. So it will be 2x less than 9 minus 3. Okay, so 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. And after this, I will have 2x less than of 6. And then I have to get rid of the 2. And the 2 in the left-hand side was in the multiplication. So I have to divide by 2 here and divide by 2 here. So x will be less than 3. What is the meaning of x is less than 3? Do you know?
X equals everything that is smaller than 3.
Okay, but it is not equals to 3. Okay, perfect. By the way, this sign can change to this sign, or this sign can change to this sign, or vice versa, in only 2 situations. Only 2 situations. Okay, the first one, if I multiply or divide by negative number. Okay, so as we will see, if I multiply or divide by a negative number, so I will convert the sign of inequality. Okay, so if I have plus or minus, adding or subtracting, okay, it will not change. Only if I multiply or divide by a negative number, okay, I will change from smaller than to bigger than automatically, or from bigger than to smaller than. Okay, the second, who is talking? Okay.
استاذ سؤال.
ايوه خطاب.
استاذ
Yes.
احنا هسه we divide نقسم في حالة شنو؟ ما فهمت. في حالة إذا كانوا متساويين or what exactly?
Like if I have like this, يا خطاب, if I have you see this example, خطاب? Okay.
I see.
We got 2x plus 3, and then we move the 3 in the other side with a negative sign. This sign is the same. This sign is the same. And then I divide by 2, which is positive. This sign is the same. So finally, this sign is the same. It will differ if I say negative 2x less than 3 or 6. Okay? So here I must divide by negative 2.
طيب اكو سؤال اخر اللي هو احنا اذا قسمنا او في حاله اي وحده من الحالات يعني السبتراكت او التقسيم او هذا نقلب الاشاره او فد شيء نقلب اشاره الجريتر او المور.
خطاب انا ما
نعم
بقلبش اشارات خالص الا في حاله
ما
اني بعمل multiplication او division by negative number بس.
باي نيجاتيف that's my question. تمام اوكي.
multiplication او division by a negative number, so I have to change the sign.
عاشت ايدك.
جبت
خوش معلومه.
يمين جبت شمال، في بلس في ماينس، يمين شمال، from the left to the right, you are moving the numbers from the left to the right, it will not differ, it will not change. Okay,
حلو حلو.
so
يلا
in this situation يا خطاب I have to divide by -2. Okay, so I will say -2x divided by -2, right?
يس
So automatically I will change the sign, it will be like this,
راح يس
and
راح
6
تتغير
will be
الاشاره راح
divided
تصير
by
6
-2 also.
x greater to -3 and that's how it goes صح؟
And now x will be greater than -3, which means that x is any number greater than -3 but not equals to -3.
So it's just expectations. It's not like a real number صح؟
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. طيب. We will continue. If I have another example like this, I have 3x minus, I have 3x plus 5 less than 4x plus 4. Okay. طيب. Now I have to move the x's in one term and the numbers in another term. Do I change this sign in the beginning? I want to hear you. I want to hear you. Zaina, Yasmin, where are you? Hello? Anybody here?
شنو الكويستشن استاذ؟
The question is, I will move the x's in one term.
Okay.
Let us say for the left hand side, okay? I will have the family of the x's and the family of the number, I will move them in the right hand side. Do I will change this sign? This sign will change?
No يعني حسب غير. We
In this situation, it will change?
In this situation, no, it won't.
No, it won't. Why? Because I'm doing subtraction or addition.
Division. Yeah, okay.
Or addition, okay?
Yeah.
So right now, I will move the 4 in the other side. It will be?
It will be شو اسمه negative صح؟
Negative 4x.
Yeah, negative 4x.
Plus 3x. And then I will move the 5 in the other side. So it will be?
It will be negative.
It will be -5 plus 4. Okay?
طيب do we multiply it by
and the sign will be the same.
حلو. Okay. طيب the x is still negative يعني.
Okay, right now I have -4x plus 3x, which is equals to?
عفوا استاذ again.
-4x plus 3x, which is equals to?
-x.
-x. So here I have -x less than -5 plus 4. It's -1, right?
حلو.
So I have to multiplication or division by -1 to get rid of the -x, right?
Yes, صح.
So I will multiply by -1.
Okay.
-1 multiplying by -x, which is equals to?
X.
Positive x. And I multiply by a negative number, so I have to change the sign.
حلو.
And -1 multiplying by -1, which is equals to?
1. So every number, yeah. So x greater than 1.
Exactly. So x is any number greater than 1.
1.
Okay? Okay. عبد الرحمن دخل معانا. عبودة. I don't know Abuda is here or not. طيب. Okay, any questions until now? حلو. We will continue. Please open the microphones. I want to hear you. Okay. Right here, I need this. Which of the following integer is a solution to the inequality? Which of the following integers, these integers, which of the following is a solution? Okay, so first of all, I will move this in the other side. It will be Shabab,
Positive.
Qasim, it will be 7x positive minus 3x, which I have here. And also I will move the negative 7 in the other side. So it will be 7 positive minus 27. Do this sign change?
No.
No, exactly. So it will be the same like this. Okay, 7x minus 3x, which is equals to
4x.
it's 4x, and here I have less than or equals, and 7 minus 27 equals to
Minus 20.
negative 20. Perfect. And then I have to get rid of the 4. In the 4, I will get rid of the 4 by division. Is the
Divide
4
by 4.
positive or negative?
It's positive. We
It's
divide by 4.
positive. Do this sign change?
It will stay the same. But I want to ask you another question. In the greater or equal, do we change the signs or what exactly?
The same
Because
as
it's
we
greater
do
or
previous in the previous steps. Okay, it's the same. Okay,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter it is equal or not. Okay, you will change the inequality sign only by multiplying or dividing by negative number.
يعني still لازم we change the signs all the time.
Exactly.
Even if it's equals or whatever. Okay.
Exactly. So right now I have to divide by 4. 4x divided by 4 will be equals to x. And the sign will be the same. I didn't divide by a negative number. And negative 20 divided by 4 will be equals to
Negative 5.
negative 5. Which means that, and then x is any number less than or equals to negative 5. Okay? Less than of negative 5, don't collapse. Don't, يعني I have a negative number, which means that this is my number line, like this. This is the 0, okay? This is the negative 5. This means that x is any number less than negative 5, which will move to the left or to the right?
Left.
To the left, perfect. Don't collapse, don't collapse with the problem and choose this. The negative 3 is right here, okay? It is not here with me. So I will choose the negative 6. Clear? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Another one. Here I have, this is the first time maybe some of you see this problem like this. I have negative 2x plus 3 in the middle. It's less than or equals 15, and it's greater than or equals 17. And he's asking me which of the following must be true. But by the way, if you notice that here the x is positive, and here the x is positive, and here the x is positive, and here the x is positive. But here in the problem, it's negative. Okay, this is negative 7. So first of all, I have to get rid of the plus, the strong relationship. The plus, the addition or subtraction is the strongest relationship that I have to get rid of them first. So I have to get rid of the positive 3. To get rid of the positive 3, I have to subtract 3 from each term. So I will subtract 3 from each term. So this will be negative 7 minus 3. Do this sign change?
No.
No.
No, perfect, because I'm subtracting or adding. Okay? So it will be like this. I change only by multiplying or division by negative number. So this will be 2x plus 3 minus 3. And then I will subtract 3 from the last term, which is 15. And then negative 7 minus 3, which is equals to
0.
negative 7 minus 3, which is equals to
Negative 10.
Negative 10.
negative 10. Less than or equals, add the 3, cancel the 3, and I have here negative 2x. And after this, I have less than or equals 15 minus 3, which is equals to, hurry up. It's 12. And after this, I have to make another step to get rid of the negative 2. How can I get rid of the negative 2?
Divide by negative 2 from both sides.
Exactly, but remember inequalities and dividing by negative numbers, so I have to change this and this, okay? So it will be negative 10 divided by negative 2, and this sign changed, and then I have negative 2x divided by negative 2, and this sign changed, and then I have 12 divided by negative 2. So I have here negative is positive. 10 divided by 2, which is equals to
5.
5 greater than or equals negative 2 and negative 2. It will be 1, which is x, and finally 12 divided by negative 2, which is equals to
Negative 6.
-6. By the way, I can write this inequality at this form, or I can flip them across the y-axis. It will be like this. -6 is smaller than or equals x is smaller than or equals 5. They are the same. Clear? Clear? As I put this in front of a mirror, let us say that the mirror will be here. Okay? So I will flip all of this in the other side. So you will get this form. It's the same. Clear? So the answer will be number C. Clear? Clear?
Clear.
تمام.
Yes.
تمام. After this, I will use the inequalities to solve the word problems. And this will be somehow new for some of you, okay? But it's very easy, like we do last time in the system of equation, connecting them with the word problems. In the word problems, I have some sentences, so I have to convert these words into algebra. That's it. Okay? First of all here, to follow his diet plan, James must limit his daily sugar consumption to at most 40 grams. What is the meaning of at most? What is the meaning of at most?
The maximum.
Yes, he can exceed this 40?
No.
Exactly. So at most means in algebra, it's less than or equals 40. Clear? Okay. And after this, continue your story. One cookie has 5 grams. So cookie has 5 grams of sugar. One fruit salad contains 7 grams of sugar. Okay. So now the comparison is between the cookie and the fruit salad. And the cookie contains 5 grams of sugar, and the fruit salad contains 7 grams of sugar. Okay, let us continue. If James ate only cookie and fruit salad, he only ate the cookies and fruit salad. Which of the following inequalities represent the possible number of cookies? The possible number of cookies, C, and fruit salad, S, that he could eat one day and remain within the diet's sugar limit, which is at most this. So first of all, he ate cookies and ate fruit salads, okay? And he can't exceed the 40 grams of sugar daily. Okay, so the cookie contains 5 grams. So the 5 grams is related to the cookies, which is C. So I have 5 grams of cookies, of sugar inside the cookie. Okay, plus, one fruit salad. For the fruit salad, it's containing 7 grams. So I will say the 7 grams of fruit salad. So right now, 5C plus 7C cannot exceed, so it will be 40. So the answer will be number D. Any questions?
No.
Zaina, Sarah, Yasmin,
No.
Doha.
No.
Do you want me to repeat? Clear?
No.
So you are telling me the story and I'm converting this story into symbols and into algebra. But remember that at most means this. Okay? Okay. Now we will start doing graphing for the inequalities. You know how to graph a line. If I say to you, I have a line which is y equals to x plus 3. What did this means? It means that I have a line like this. I have a line. Its slope is what?
1.
It's 1, positive or negative?
Positive.
So the line is going upward or downward from the left to the right?
Upwards.
Upward, exactly. And what is the y-intercept?
3.
It's 3. So I'm sure that this equation is the equation of the line, and this line is going upward like this. And it will cut, it will intersect the y-intercept at 3. This is for the line. This is the equation of the line. What if I have an inequality, which is, I will change this equal into a sign of inequality. Now I convert it from a line into an area. Okay? Let us see. First of all, like this. If I have y greater than negative x minus 1, I will deal with this sign as it is equal. So what is the equation of this is the equation of a line, right? Is the line going up or falling down?
Down.
It's falling down. Exactly. And what is the y-intercept?
-1.
It's -1. So I'm sure that this is the equation of a line, and the line is going down from the left to the right, and it cut the y-intercept at -1. Okay, what did this mean? That y is anything greater than and not equal that line. This means that this function will contain all all the area above this line. This is the line and this is the point of -1. But the line here is dashed line. Dash line. Why? Because I'm telling you that y is greater than, not greater than or equal. Okay? So this means that this is the line with the dashed line. Okay? And if you need that y greater than or equal, greater than -x minus 1, this means that you are searching for all the area above this line. It's greater than it. This red area. All of this red area, apply for this inequality. Do you need me to repeat again? Any questions? Yeah, Yasmin?
No.
No.
Wait a second. Okay, Qasim. So right now we know that now I'm playing with area, I'm playing with all the plan. Now I'm searching for all of this area, okay, which will do this equation. Okay, let us take another one. It's the same, but here if I say y is greater than or equals -x minus 1. Now I'm sure that this line is a solid line, not dashed line, like above. Look at this, it's a solid line. Look at this, this is a solid line. I know that this is a solid line. Why? Because I have the sign of equal. Okay? And now you are telling me it's a line, it's falling down from the left to the right. It's falling down from this negative slope, and it intersect the y-intercept by -1. And now I'm asking you, I need all the values containing this line or above of it. So I are searching also for this area, this purple area. All of this purple area can do me this equation, this inequality. What if I'm asking you, I need y less than or equals -x minus 1. What am I supposed to do? Where is this area? Where is this plane? Can you tell me?
Is it below the line?
Exactly. So this equation will be all below the line and also containing the line. This yellow region, all of this yellow region will apply to this equation. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I have a system of equation, you remember the system of equation, I have two lines before. Yani the lesson before we told you, we talked about the system of equation. If I have two lines and what will happen to them if I have one solution or I have no solution, they are parallel, or I have finitely many solutions, so the two lines are on the same line. So right now I'm asking you, what if I have an inequality in a system of equation inside two lines like this? Okay. So right now, if I have this equation and this equation, okay, first of all, like this, let us do it here. Okay, this is my x and this is my y. First of all, I will enter here. I have y equals to -x plus 4. The negative x related to the line that is falling down or going up from the left to the right. Down or up? Moving down or going up from the left to the right? This negative.
Down.
Going down.
Down. And the y-intercept, where is the y-intercept?
4.
It's positive 4. So first of all, I have positive 4 and I have a line like this. It's falling down. Okay? From the 4. Okay? This is the first line. Okay. And draw the second line. I have half, which is falling down or moving up.
Up.
Moving up.
It's moving up. I will draw it in green. Okay. And what is the y-intercept of this line?
-3.
It's -3 and going up. Right? So it will be like this. Am I right? Okay. So it will be like this. After I finish the lines, I have to draw the plans that I supposed to do using the inequalities. So for the blue line, I will use this color. What is this? It states that y is less than. Remember that this equation is for the blue line. So y is less than. So this is the area below the line or at the top of the line. Huh? It's y less than. It's below or
Below?
up? It's below of the line. Exactly. And the line is solid line because I have equal. So all the region below the line, okay, all of it, like this. So this I finish the first one. It's all the area below the line of the first of the blue line. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the up of the line. Here I have up of the line, so I will draw it with another color. Let us say like this. Okay. So here in this line, I'm sure that this is the green line. And here it's greater than, so I'm at the top of the line, all of this region, all of this region, all of this region, up of the line, right? Okay, to find the solution here, it will be the mix between the yellow, between the blue and the green, which means this region. Look at this region, which containing both, containing the blue lines, the blue area, and containing also the green area. Clear? So first of all, I got the area of this line, which is below this line, and then I got the area of this line, which at the top of this line, okay, they will intersect in a common area between them, which is actually this area. Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What if I need this point? If I need this point, this is the point of intersection between the two lines, as you see, right? If I need this point, I have to equal the two equations, which is -x plus 4, and the other equation, which is half x minus 3, to get this point. I'm searching right now for this point. And by the way, this is the point of intersection between the two lines, right?
Mr. Karim, I want to ask you a question. So there is like هذا الخط الموجود، هاي الخطوط اللي صارت مربعات اللي انت مسويها باللون البرتقالي.
ايوه.
هذا معناها هي مشتركة بين الاثنين. يعني if we substitute any number in this
it will work in the first
we're
equation, exactly, and it will work in the second
one.
equation.
طب what does we call this?
What
do we call this?
it's the solution between a system of equation. This is system of equation. Khattab, you remember last lesson when I have a system of equation,
I remember.
which is 2x minus 3y equals to 7, and another one I have 4x minus 7y, which is equals to 14, and I do some operations to get the x, and then some operation to get the y, and on the calculator, if you remember by the mode 5-1, to get the x and y. What did this x and y means? It means that I have a line. Let us say this is the first line, and I have another line like this, and this is the second line. Okay, so the x and y I got on the calculator from the mode 5-1 is the point of intersection between them. Okay.
Yes.
But right now I'm playing with planes. I'm playing with area. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the common area. This is the common area between them.
Hello. Okay.
But right now, if I need this point, I must equal the two equations. Okay.
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 But,
so
like. On which, like, if we want to equal this or those equations,
you will see.
So,
if I'm asking you to
exactly...
the point of intersection between them. Okay.
Hello. Okay.
Okay. So right now I will move this in the other side with the negative sign. So I will have negative x minus half x. And then I will move the 4 in the other side. So it will be negative 4 minus 3. Is this clear? Clear?
Yes.
Okay, after this I have negative half and negative 1 minus half, which is equals to negative 1 minus half, which is equals to it equals to negative 1.5, which is negative 3 over 2x. And here I have negative 4 minus 3, which is equals to negative 7. By the way, the meeting will end within less than 1 minute. We will take a 10 minutes break, and then we will return back to finish this. Okay, if it cut at any time. Okay, and right now I have to get rid of the negative 3 over